Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text behind an image in Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool. Okay, so let's jump into it. So as you can see, we are in Canva and we're going to start with adding one of our pictures. So I'm going to grab this picture here. So this is one that I have created myself using AI. Absolutely love AI. I think it's so amazing from a creator's point of view. But yeah, sorry, going off on a tangent. So what we're going to do is we've got this image here and we want to duplicate this picture. So if you press Control D, and as you can see that we have now duplicated that, and then we want to come up to the top left and we're going to press Edit Image, and then we are going to press Background Remover. So what's that going to do is just remove the background for us. And then what you want to do is you want to line up your image perfectly on top of the other image. So just get that. So it's just trying to get it like right and everything. Okay. And then what we're going to do is come over to the left here and click on text. And then we're going to add a heading. So let's add the heading. I'm going to do star. Okay, so then you want to choose the right font that you want. I'm going to go for Anton. There you go, star. And then what we could do is you can change the color if you wanted. I don't know what color, yeah, you fancy. I like it to sort of stand out, but let's just do this so this stands out. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to want to right click, come to layer, and then you want to say show layers. And as you can see here, the star is the top layer. So what we want to do is we want to bring that underneath here, and there you go. You can see now that it's almost like the little boy is looking up at the writing, and then you can then just adjust it, make it however you want to, change the colors, change the font, do whatever it is you wish to edit it and make it your own. And that's it, guys. A super quick and easy one for you guys today on how to add text behind an image in Canva. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. We appreciate it so much. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.